Hi, I'm going to making the turmeric ham fried rice. I have a 2.5 cup of cooked white rice, and I got 2 eggs and half cup of peas, and three ounces of ham, 2 ounces of onion, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Okay, I'm going to turn on the heat and put some oil in it. And first, I'm going to put some egg in it first. Then I put some ham in it and some cheese in it. Okay, then I'm going to remove it. Okay, then I'm going to clean the wok. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more oil in it again. Then I'm going to put some onion in it. Then I put a tablespoon of turmeric. Then I put some rice in it. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to put all the egg, ham, and peas in it again. Then I put some oyster sauce in it. I have 1 teaspoon. And some soy sauce in it. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to remove it. Okay, that's I make today the turmeric ham fried rice.